Hello everybody, it's Jonathan doing another house tour over here in Virginia Beach. I'm in the Green Run neighborhood by Dahlia, which is close to Lynn Haven Parkway. This is a nice little house and we'll get to it. Hey, we're back. Like always, we start at the front door, put it in wide zoom. We walk in, nice little living room area, half wall. This is a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath, 1430 square feet, built 1982. As we're seeing in a lot of places, no overhead fixtures. We're gonna take a hard left, go in here into the dining room. That's the garage door right there. We'll come back to that. This house is surrounded by a lot of trees. That's why it's dark, even with all the lights on. The sun hasn't poked out above the trees yet. Walking into the kitchen slash family room slash laundry room. Super open in here. Nice little feature on this window here. It's a bump out. Put some plants in there. Pretty nice. Wood fireplace. This takes us right back to the living room. A little half wall, keep your keys there. Closet. Now we're gonna head back to the living areas. First full bath is in here. Then into the master bedroom. That's one of 2 closets with some built-ins. Swing around. Another closet, different type of built-ins. And it does have an ensuite. I believe this one, nope, full bath. All right, now we're gonna leave the master bedroom and go over to the other bedrooms. Like I said, it's a 3-bedroom. Smallest of all the rooms. One little closet, no overhead fixtures. Be a great office. Leaving the little bedroom, closet, into the other room. It's just ever so slightly bigger with an overhead fixture. Nice little closet, decent size. And we're walking into the garage. It is a manual door, storage, access, water heater, basic garage. Now, let's go outside. There's that bump out. As you can see, it's starting to get sunny out here. It's just coming over all these trees. Then, afternoon, there'll be some sun out here, but not bad. It's a decent enough sized yard. You can do plenty of things out here. Especially if you're into cornhole, there's plenty of room. And it wraps all the way around to the side of the house. Final talking head portion about this house. It's a great starter home, or if you're looking to downsize. It's not too big, it's definitely not small. It has a lot of potential. You can do a lot of things in here. We have a wonderful house to live in. It's a good neighborhood. And it's worth looking at if you're ever in the market. It's only $310,000. All right, I'll catch y'all later on my next tour.
If you like today's content of this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see other videos that I've made, please subscribe. Have a good day.